Good day. Here is the potential winner for one of these wrenches, as well as we got the beer cozies, don't forget, and half of the Evapo-Rust gel. That's 3 bottles each to the winner. The patrons will have their own video up on Patreon just to decide who the winner is. This one is just for the YouTube comments. We have about 4,000 comments here, so let's just go ahead and see who won. April Fisher, you are the winner of one of these wrenches. If you want a brass one or a steel one, let me know, and I can swap these out if both winners want brass or something like that. So you can email me at handtoolrescue@gmail.com or just message me privately through YouTube, and I will get these to you, as well as the gel and the drink cozy. Thank you all for supporting me on getting to 200,000. I also thank you all for entering. The fact that almost 4,000 of you want a wrench probably means I need to make many more of these. So that's probably something that I need to get immediately started. But in the next few weeks, look for a wrench video of me essentially going through the process of how I make these and how I decided to make these and things like that. So stay tuned for that. It will be soon, I promise. Thank you all again. Later.